PLM. In clinic visit, which of the following method of prioritization the nurse can do the intervention? Letter A, non-program based. Letter B, program based. Letter C, urgent referral. Or letter D, triaging. What is your answer? A, B, C, or D? Oy, in fairness, tama. The correct answer here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, everybody say, program-based and program-based emergency. Say it.
Program-based and program-based emergency.
Now, tatandaan mo, ladies and gentlemen, ito yung triaging natin sa clinic visit or RHU visit. Program-based and program-based emergency. Pag sinabi natin program-based, ladies and gentlemen, kaya itong ma-manage ng nurse. Kaya itong i-manage ng nurse. Ang sample natin dito, ladies and gentlemen, are integrated management on childhood illnesses and of course, your vaccination or immunization. Kapag sinabi natin ulit program-based, kaya ng nurse, kaya ng midwife. Next, non-program-based. Pag sinabi naman natin non-program-based, ito yung mga hindi nangangailangang itakbo sa ospital, pero dapat makita ng medical doctor. Sample natin dito, halimbawa, hypertensive yung patient, nakukuha ba? Or meron tayong difficulty of breathing, nakukuha ba? Kailangan yan, non-program based, yan ay mapupunta kay doctor. Ano ulit ang term natin kapag nasa rural health unit? Ang tawag natin dyan, medical health officer. Ang tawag natin dyan, rural health physician. Ang tawag natin dyan, doctor to the barrios. Nakukuha ba? Pag sinabi naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, urgent referral, tatandaan mo, that refers to emergency. Pag sinabi natin emergency, ladies and gentlemen, that requires, tama, life and death yan, takbo mo na sa ospital. Nakukuha po ba? Are you with me?